Welcome to Yeeflow Form Report tutorial series. Today, we're going to take a deeper dive into managing your form reports with a focus on creating and utilizing data views. Yeeflow provides various layouts for data views, enabling you to present your data in the most meaningful and customized way. Layout options include List View. This layout presents data in rows and columns, following a traditional format. Gallery View. This design highlights data with attractive cards. Calendar View. Suitable for date-based data, it enables visualization on daily, weekly, or monthly calendars. News View. An engaging design perfect for displaying updates, announcements, or news in a card format. Gantt View. Useful for monitoring project timelines, this view facilitates the scheduling of date-centric data. Timeline View. Visualize records in view on a linear scale by date and time. Form reports in Yeeflow possess a default data view named All Items. Let's learn how to manage it. To modify the default All Items view, click on the More Settings button and select Edit View. Here you can change various properties such as name and URL of the data view. The default view has view permissions for all users. If the view is not the default view, you can adjust its access permissions according to your requirements. You can also decide whether to allow users to access the form's detail page. In the Display Field settings, select the fields to display in the data view. Under the Data Field settings, choose the fields you want to include in this data view. These will become the columns in your list view. Under User Filters, decide which fields should be available for users to filter and search data. This allows you to control how users can interact with your form report data. Click OK to complete the configuration. If you need a similar view with slight modifications, you can duplicate it. Click on the More Settings button, then select Duplicate View. In the pop-up window, you can create new view or overwrite existing view. This creates a copy that you can tailor to your specific needs. Moreover, you can edit it view. And if you no longer need a data view, simply click on the More Settings button and choose Delete View. Remember, there must always be at least one data view in the form report. Now, let's explore how to create a new data view to add a fresh perspective to your data. From the Form Report header, click the Add View button. In the pop-up window, choose your desired view type, whether it's a list view, gallery view, calendar view, news view, Gantt view, or timeline view. Then, set the properties for your new data view on the creation page. Remember, each data view serves as a separate lens to view the same dataset. By creating and managing multiple data views, you can ensure that each user or user group sees the most relevant information in the most accessible way. As always, review and update your data views as necessary to reflect changes in data, user needs, or business processes. Thanks for joining us on this tutorial. Stay tuned for more Yeeflow tutorials to enhance your form report capabilities.